Hi AJ, this is Miss Shayla from Small Street Marketing. I spoke with you yesterday on the phone and I just told you I had a quick 5-minute video for you just showcasing how to get some new leads just from your website alone. This is all free information. I just ask that you give me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts if you'd like after this video and I would greatly appreciate it. But to get started, I do have a background in digital marketing and I can tell you that Google looks for 3 separate things when looking to rank different websites on their platform. Those are going to be backlinks, citations, and content. So let's start with content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. And I don't see a ton on the home page, and I want to show you your competition just to show you some sites that they do have some content on, and then I'll go over why that's so important. So as you can see, they don't have a ton on their homepage either. But the reason this is important in ranking is Google loves content. How do we know this? Anytime we do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally starts moving them up the rankings, okay? So getting good quality content, and after looking at your competitions page that's ranking on page 1, and they don't have a ton of content either, I'm going to recommend between 1,000 to 1,500 words to get seen by Google, as well as beat them out of content, okay? We also suggest that every additional service that you offer have its own special page. Why is that important? Because it allows you to rank for multiple keywords. Keywords are anything that people search into a Google platform when doing a search, and those are the ones that we need to have in our content for each service page. This is what we call an H2 tag, or a heading size 2, and Google does pick these up, but again, it's not finding you for a lot of keywords because you don't have a lot of text for each service. So I would recommend doing a service page, a separate service page, for every service you offer, whether it be residential, deep cleaning, event services, if you do commercial, upholstery, and really focus on getting great keywords stuffed into that content so that you can be found. Let me show you why that's important. This is called Ahrefs, and it brings me up just to an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And the first thing that catches my eye is you're getting 0 traffic to your website. Again, that's primarily because of the keywords you're ranking for. So when we look at this, we can see that your overall first position for Carpet Cleaning Houston, you're already on page 5. So naturally, we wanted to put more of this keyword in your text, as well as some of the others that you want to get you to rank appropriately. For every additional service page, we recommend about 750 words, because for every keyword you want to rank for, it needs to be surrounded by about 250 to 500 words of text. So moving on, this UR is primarily based off of citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number are put into some type of online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages there. Just from doing a basic Google search of Carpet Cleaning Houston, Texas, you can see that these top 3 people are going to get the most business, primarily because of being visible, right? Most people don't want to search and then dig around and search through all the search options. They want the best, right? So the best are usually at the top. They're usually the ones that have the most ratings, and that's typically the people who get the most business. So how do we get there? We get a lot of citations, so put our name and information in a lot of directories, and I have the ability to see how many your competition has, knowing how many you would need to beat them and secure this top position. But by also securing a top 3 position here, you're going to get this UR number to go up. That's important because when these 2 numbers are at around a 1-to-1 ratio and as close to 30, they create some stability, meaning it's going to be a lot harder for other businesses to kind of bump you out of your rank. Your rank is going to pretty much be secured. Next, this DR number is primarily referring to your backlinks and your referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere that your website link shows up on a different website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality referring domains and backlinks are going to drive this DR up. Again, not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal, so we want to get good, trusted websites to put our web links on, and that's going to throw a lot of influence to our site. Once both of these DR and UR get up to around 30, again, Google is going to see you as a stable business and start shoveling influence your way. So just to recap, get good quality citations, get bumped up that GMB, secure a top 3 position, and get this UR number ranking. Again, get some good quality backlinks and referring domains from good trusted sites, getting a lot of influence shoveled to your website to get this DR up. Again, we want to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio here. We also want to get good quality text on our website. So get anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words on our homepage and break up every service we offer into its own page. Again, providing more content, about 750 words per section, as well as getting good quality keywords in the text. And then you'll rank for more keywords, and we'll definitely see this organic traffic come up as you start increasing those ranks and getting found on more keyword platforms. Well, I hope this was good information for you, AJ. If you don't mind, send me a quick email and just let me know what you thought about this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your night. Bye-bye.